I want to change what I'm afraid of and habits that bother me, spiritualist. The Ek Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp has the spiritual exercise for the 26th month in Eckankar upon page 40. I list fears on a left-hand column and troublesome habits on the right of a paper. Circle one and pray to God about it instead of the following. The suggestion to invoke the leader of Eckankar to question him about it as you contemplate your way to sleep. Aside from the writing down what the exercise was, I did this mentally. My last practice of this was 2 weeks before the start of Beltane, or what used to be called summer, in 2015. And so, yeah, you can divide things like that. And some things are private. Like some of the questions that I am talking to people that have even had on this channel, yeah, that stuff was done off camera. So, because certainly you don't want to expose everybody's trauma per se. Some people want to deal with their vices privately. Some people are just considering whether to commit certain vices, and it's like, well, there's no need for them to go to prison or something just because of what they thought. I'm not pulling that Christian crime stuff, because sometimes that's just what people need. It needs to be discussed. If it can't be discussed with it before it happens, then or they're feeling crime or whatever. And likewise, you can give your own answers or responses to anything I share here. Be wary that it is a public format and stuff. Even if you delete your comments, I'm not the only one that's that could see that. So